guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very exciting one. Today I am testing out the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara and the eyeliner. So I had this set as a Christmas present from my parents. Had no idea I was having it. I was very excited when I received this. So this is the Pillow Talk Push Up Eye Secrets set, and it's the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes mascara and a mini Barbarella brown eyeliner. So it has a brown eyeliner and a black mascara. Very exciting. I love mascaras and I always wear brown eyeliners, so this is like the perfect set for me. The mascara claims to have 24-hour lash lift effect. It's supposed to give you voluminous lashes, magnified, amplified and lengthening lashes, and it's smudge and humidity proof. So very big claims, very exciting. This is what it looks like. That's what it says it's going to do to your lashes. My eyelashes are not great at the moment, so I'm not going to let that affect my judgment. But I'm very excited. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I zoomed you in a bit so you can have a better view. So I'm going to be using the eyeliner first. So like I said, it's the Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil Crayon. And it's in the shade Barbarella Brown. So it's very cute. Look at that. Nice colour there. It seems nice and soft. So yeah, let's just go. Okay, so I love how the eyeliner looks. That's perfect eyeliner for me, perfect colour. The way it applied was really soft and creamy, easy to apply. And it seems like you could smudge it out as well if you wanted to. So I did all on my waterline and yeah, it looks really nice. So let's try the mascara. So first I'm going to curl my lashes using the Tweezerman eyelash curlers. Okay, so this is the mascara. This is the wand. Oh, nice wand. I like that it is thinner on the end and then like sort of fatter towards the back. I hope you can see. Slightly thinner to the tip and then slightly fatter at the back. Oh, it's so good. Are you seeing this? Oh my gosh, that is amazing. That literally looks amazing. So that is one coat. And I love how the one coat looks on my lashes. The only thing I would say is, I don't know if it's because it's new, but it is slightly thick and not clumpy, but there's a lot of product on the wand. So next time I use it, I would like scrape a lot of the product off before putting it on my lashes, just because it is quite a lot of product. I think that's probably because it's new as well, but I didn't scrape anything off when I pulled it out. So next time I would do that. But I'm loving the way it's looking on my lashes. I'm going to leave it dry for now and see if I need to do a second coat. But I think that one will probably be enough. But I really love the way it looks on my lashes. And paired with the eyeliner as well, it just looks so nice. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it dry for a second. Okay, so I've let it dry and I've decided I don't want to do another coat because I think that it looks nice enough as it is. So yeah, this is a zoomed in look. So I'm very happy with that result. So yeah, overall, I absolutely love that set. The eyeliner is perfect. The mascara is amazing. I just love the way it looks on my lashes. Instantly, it curled, lengthened and volumized my lashes without any effort. The only thing I would say is just scrape a little bit of the product off first, just because a lot of the product does come out and you don't want to waste it or anything. But it just looks so nice on my lashes. I'm very fussy with mascaras, but I actually really love this one. And I'm so glad. It looks so nice with the eyeliner as well. I really love the way it makes my lashes look. So yeah, this product gets a huge thumbs up from me. So if you are thinking of trying Charlotte Tilbury makeup, or if you just fancy the mascara or the eyeliner, give it a try. I promise you, it is so nice. I love it. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara and the eyeliner set. It's the Eye Secrets set. So yeah, I hope you liked this video and I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!